Did you know one of Earth's most formidable prehistoric predators was actually a whale once mistaken for a sea reptile? Basilosaurus dominated ancient oceans, effortlessly preying on sharks and other whales. Initially misclassified as a marine reptile and named king lizard, this scientific error shaped early understanding of marine evolution. The story of Basilosaurus reveals both its unmatched power and the fascinating journey of paleontological discovery. In 1834, a startling discovery emerged from the depths of Louisiana's swamps. The fossilized remains of a creature so bizarre were unearthed, challenging scientific understanding for decades to come. This was the dawn of Basilosaurus, a name that would become synonymous with paleontological mystery. The initial discovery sparked immediate fascination among naturalists. Here was a skeleton unlike anything they had encountered before. A serpentine form stretching an impressive 65 to 80 feet in length, adorned with a skull bearing razor-sharp teeth. The creature's elongated body and formidable dentition refers to the arrangement and type of teeth in the mouth, led early observers to conclude they had stumbled upon the remains of a colossal marine reptile. Dr. Richard Harlan, a prominent American naturalist, bestowed upon the creature its fateful name, Basilosaurus, derived from the Greek words basileus, meaning king, and sauros, meaning lizard. The moniker king lizard seemed fitting for such an imposing beast. This name, however, would prove to be a lasting source of confusion. The elongated vertebrae of Basilosaurus, so different from known whale species, further contributed to the reptilian misclassification. As more fossils were uncovered and studied, however, a different picture began to emerge. The creature's teeth, upon closer examination, revealed a structure more akin to mammals than reptiles. Its skull bore mammalian characteristics. For years, the true identity of Basilosaurus was a puzzle, sparking intrigue within the scientific world. What kind of creature was this that defied simple categorization? In a surprising revelation that would reshape the understanding of prehistoric life, researchers discovered that Basilosaurus wasn't a reptile, but one of the earliest whales. This groundbreaking find created waves in science, revealing Basilosaurus as a critical link between land mammals and modern whales, a significant piece in cetacean evolution. Originally thought to be a giant reptile, Basilosaurus's misclassification reminds us of science's evolving nature and the value of re-evaluating established ideas. The transformation from king lizard to ancient whale emphasizes the self-correcting process of discovery. As we uncover more about this remarkable creature, new questions arise. What further insights might Basilosaurus offer? Its story promises even more remarkable glimpses into the diverse life forms that once inhabited ancient oceans. Richard Owen's examination of Basilosaurus fossils in the late 1830s led to a revelation that would fundamentally alter our understanding of whale evolution. As he studied the skeletal remains, Owen encountered a puzzling mix of features that challenged the creature's initial classification as a marine reptile. The most compelling evidence came from the creature's teeth. Owen's analysis revealed a dental structure unlike anything seen in reptiles. The teeth of Basilosaurus possessed two roots. This characteristic is a hallmark of mammals, never found in reptiles. The presence of two rooted molars in Basilosaurus was a clear indicator that this creature, despite its reptilian appearance, was more closely related to mammals than to any known reptile. As Owen continued his investigation, more mammalian characteristics emerged. Bone composition and the arrangement of its sensory organs showed mammalian features in it. The vertebrae, upon closer inspection, revealed a complexity more consistent with mammalian anatomy than reptilian. Owen's meticulous examination led to a groundbreaking conclusion. Basilosaurus, once thought to be a fearsome marine reptile, was in fact one of the earliest known whales. This reclassification expanded the known diversity of prehistoric whales and provided crucial evidence for the evolution of cetaceans from land-dwelling mammals. The elongated body of Basilosaurus, previously seen as evidence of its reptilian nature, now stood as a testament to the incredible adaptations of early whales to a fully aquatic lifestyle. This discovery opened up new avenues for research in paleontology and evolutionary biology. It raised questions about the transition of whales from land-dwelling ancestors to fully aquatic creatures, and hinted at the potential surprises still hidden in the fossil record regarding the diversity of prehistoric marine life. The reclassification of Basilosaurus also prompts us to reconsider our understanding of prehistoric marine ecosystems. As a top predator in ancient oceans, this whale likely played a significant role in shaping the marine food web. Its unique adaptations would have influenced its hunting strategies and interactions with other marine life. By studying Basilosaurus and its place in Earth's ancient seas, we can paint a more vivid and accurate picture of life in prehistoric oceans, with this remarkable creature as a central figure in the story of cetacean evolution. The immense size of prehistoric whales like Basilosaurus captures the imagination, though initial estimates underestimated its true dimensions. As paleontologists reconstructed this ancient whale's skeletal remains, they uncovered a creature far larger than anticipated. The question then arose: how did early whales reach such massive proportions? And what insights does this offer about the evolution of marine mammals? The prehistoric oceans were home to a wide range of whales, from small, semi-aquatic species to massive marine giants. Yet even among these impressive creatures, Basilosaurus stood out. When first discovered in the 1830s, its size was difficult to grasp. Early, incomplete fossils suggested lengths of 50-60 feet, already remarkable but still below its actual size. With more complete specimens found over the years, scientists have revised their understanding. Research now suggests Basilosaurus may have reached even greater lengths, placing it among the largest known prehistoric whales, on par with modern giants. Determining its true size, however, remains complex due to the elongated vertebrae, which paleontologists carefully reconstruct to avoid overestimations. By comparing fossil measurements with those of related species and creating detailed 3D models, scientists continue to refine our understanding of Basilosaurus's impressive scale. The implications of Basilosaurus's massive size are far-reaching. Its length, combined with its streamlined body shape and powerful jaws, would have made it an apex predator in the ancient oceans of the late Eocene epoch, approximately 40 to 34 million years ago. This impressive size raises questions about the evolutionary pressures that drove early whales to grow so large so quickly in geological time. It also prompts us to reconsider the ecological roles these ancient whales played in shaping marine ecosystems millions of years before the emergence of modern whale species. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of Basilosaurus's enormous proportions, we're left to wonder, what other secrets might this prehistoric whale reveal about the evolution of cetaceans and the ancient oceans they inhabited? The story of Basilosaurus serves as a compelling reminder that in the world of paleontology, our understanding is constantly evolving, with each new discovery potentially rewriting what we thought we knew about life in Earth's distant past. From its massive size to its sleek body, Basilosaurus was perfectly adapted for marine dominance. However, it was the ancient whale's formidable dentition that truly set it apart as an apex predator of the Eocene seas. Unlike modern whales with their specialized feeding adaptations, Basilosaurus possessed a set of teeth more reminiscent of carnivorous land mammals. The jaws of Basilosaurus housed an impressive array of tooth types, each specialized for different functions. At the front, conical, slightly curved incisors and canines were perfect for grasping and puncturing prey, allowing the whale to snatch fast-moving fish or even other marine mammals. A series of triangular premolars lined the jaw, their sharp edges ideal for slicing through flesh. But perhaps most impressive were the molars of Basilosaurus, which were large, serrated, and equipped with multiple cusps and cutting edges. This diverse dental toolkit gave Basilosaurus a significant advantage in the competitive marine ecosystems of the Eocene. It could process a wide variety of food sources, from soft-bodied fish to the tough skin and blubber of other marine mammals. The whale's skull was reinforced to withstand the stresses of powerful bites, and its jaw muscles were likely highly developed. Computer models and biomechanical analyses have suggested that Basilosaurus possessed one of the most powerful bites of any known mammal, rivaling even that of large carnivorous land mammals like bears or big cats. This combination of diverse dentition, reinforced skull, and powerful jaw muscles made Basilosaurus a truly formidable hunter, capable of tackling a wide range of prey from schools of fish to large sharks and even other early whales. The dentition of Basilosaurus represents a crucial stage in the transition of whales from land to sea. While earlier whale ancestors still possessed teeth similar to those of terrestrial mammals, Basilosaurus had developed a dental array perfectly suited for life as an ocean predator. Its ability to process tough prey items may have allowed it to exploit food sources that were unavailable to other marine predators of its time, cementing its position at the top of the Eocene food chain. As we examine the deadly arsenal that once filled the mouth of Basilosaurus, we're reminded of the incredible diversity of adaptations that have evolved in marine mammals over millions of years. From the specialized baleen of modern filter-feeding whales to the simplified, uniform teeth of toothed whales like sperm whales and dolphins, the story of cetacean dentition is one of constant innovation and specialization. Basilosaurus stands as a fascinating snapshot of this evolutionary journey, offering a glimpse into the fierce predators that once dominated Earth's ancient oceans. The saga of Basilosaurus as a mythical sea serpent is a fascinating case study in the interplay between scientific discovery and public imagination. While early misidentifications had already sparked interest, it was the infamous Hydrarchos hoax of 1845 that truly cemented Basilosaurus in the realm of legend. Albert Koch, an American showman and amateur naturalist, assembled a spectacular 114-foot-long skeleton he claimed was a single sea serpent. In reality, Koch had cobbled together bones from several Basilosaurus specimens, adding extra vertebrae to create an impossibly long creature. He displayed this fabricated monster in New York and later in Europe, drawing massive crowds and fueling public belief in the existence of sea serpents. The impact of Koch's Hydrarchos on public perception was profound. For many, it seemed to provide tangible proof of the sea monsters that had long populated maritime folklore. Even after the hoax was exposed by scientists, the image of Basilosaurus as a potential sea serpent lingered in the public imagination. Throughout the 19th century, other misinterpretations of Basilosaurus remains further contributed to its mythical status. Fragmentary fossils were often mistaken for those of plesiosaurs or other marine reptiles, reinforcing the idea of a reptilian sea monster. The creature's unusual body proportions led some early researchers to speculate about its possible relationship to legendary sea serpents. As more complete Basilosaurus fossils were discovered and studied, anticipation built in the scientific community. The resolution came gradually, as advancing scientific understanding began to dispel the sea serpent notion. Careful analysis of Basilosaurus anatomy revealed the telltale double-rooted teeth that clearly identified it as an early whale. The creature's elongated body, once seen as evidence of its serpentine nature, was recognized as a unique adaptation to aquatic life in an early cetacean. Scientists had initially mistaken Basilosaurus for a sea monster due to a combination of factors. The fragmentary nature of early fossil discoveries, combined with limited understanding of prehistoric marine life, led to misinterpretations. The creature's unusual body plan, so different from modern whales, made it difficult to classify accurately. Additionally, the prevalence of sea serpent myths in popular culture may have influenced early interpretations, as researchers tried to fit Basilosaurus into existing frameworks of understanding. The sea serpent saga of Basilosaurus serves as a compelling example of how fossil discoveries can be misinterpreted and mythologized, and how advancing scientific knowledge can ultimately separate fact from fiction in our understanding of prehistoric life. In transitioning to the discussion of the true nature of Basilosaurus's body structure, we're reminded of the complex relationship between scientific discovery and the public's fascination with the unknown. While scientific knowledge dispelled the sea serpent myth, Basilosaurus's movement was truly remarkable. This ancient whale possessed a long body that contrasted sharply with the streamlined forms of modern cetaceans. Its skeleton revealed an extensive series of vertebrae, creating a flexible spine that allowed for sinuous movements through the water. Unlike today's whales, which rely on powerful tail flukes for propulsion, Basilosaurus presented a form that seemed better suited to slithering than swimming. The key to its unique locomotion lay in its vertebrae structure, which permitted significant flexibility along the entire body length. Each vertebra interlocked with its neighbors, enabling a wide range of motion both vertically and horizontally. Reconstructing the locomotion of extinct species is challenging for paleontologists. In the case of Basilosaurus, researchers have studied wear patterns on vertebrae, muscle attachment points, and overall body proportions to piece together its movement patterns. The evidence suggests that Basilosaurus likely swam using an undulating method, sending waves of motion down the length of its body. This eel-like swimming style would have allowed it to maneuver with surprising agility for its size. This undulating swimming method sets Basilosaurus apart from modern whales in several key ways. While today's cetaceans use their tails for propulsion and flippers for steering, Basilosaurus could change direction by flexing different parts of its long body. This likely provided greater maneuverability in tight spaces, such as coral reefs or mangrove swamps, where many Basilosaurus fossils have been discovered. The implications of this swimming style on Basilosaurus's hunting behavior are significant. Its ability to move sinuously through the water may have allowed it to approach prey more stealthily than a larger, bulkier predator. The flexibility of its spine could have aided in quick turns and lunges, perfect for ambushing unsuspecting victims. This unique locomotion shaped Basilosaurus's role as an apex predator in the Eocene oceans, offering a glimpse into a marine ecosystem long vanished from Earth's waters. Basilosaurus, with its massive size and fearsome teeth, occupied a unique position in the Eocene food chain. This ancient cetacean ruled the prehistoric oceans as one of the most formidable predators of its time. In the warm, shallow seas of 40 million years ago, a diverse array of marine life thrived. From small fish to large sharks, the oceans teemed with potential prey. Initially, scientists assumed Basilosaurus primarily fed on fish and squid, similar to many modern toothed whales. However, as more fossils came to light, a different and far more surprising picture began to emerge. Fossil evidence has transformed our understanding of Basilosaurus's diet. Remarkably well-preserved specimens have been found with stomach contents intact, offering a direct glimpse into the creature's last meals. These fossils reveal a diverse array of prey, including large fish, sharks, and other early whales. Bite marks found on the bones of smaller whale species provide further evidence of Basilosaurus's predatory behavior. A significant fossil discovery in Egypt's western desert unveiled the remains of a Basilosaurus with the bones of another whale, Dorodon, in its stomach region. This finding confirmed that Basilosaurus engaged in predation on other cetaceans, a behavior known as cetophagy. The implications of this discovery were profound, suggesting that Basilosaurus played a crucial role in shaping the evolution of early whales through predation pressure. Paleontologists employ various methods to determine the diet of extinct species like Basilosaurus. Analysis of tooth wear patterns, tooth shape and structure, and stable isotope analysis of fossilized bones and teeth all contribute to our understanding of its dietary preferences. These analyses consistently point to a high trophic level for Basilosaurus, confirming its status as a top predator. As research continues, anticipation builds around uncovering the full extent of Basilosaurus's predatory behavior. Questions remain about its hunting strategies, potential social behaviors, and the impact of its predation on marine ecosystems. Each new fossil discovery and analytical technique brings us closer to a comprehensive understanding of this ancient whale's ecological role. The diet of Basilosaurus was indeed diverse and surprising. It regularly consumed sharks, including larger species that would have been formidable prey in their own right. Smaller whale species like Dorodon formed a significant part of its diet, setting Basilosaurus apart from most modern whales and underscoring its position as the undisputed apex predator of its time. The revelation of Basilosaurus's varied diet raises intriguing questions about its impact on Eocene marine ecosystems. As a predator capable of taking down large prey, including other whales, Basilosaurus likely exerted significant influence on the population dynamics and evolution of numerous species. Its presence may have driven the development of defensive adaptations in prey species and influenced the distribution of marine life in ancient oceans. Understanding the ecological role of this formidable predator provides crucial insights into the complex web of interactions that shaped marine life millions of years ago. While modern oceans host an impressive array of marine life, they differ significantly from the alien seascape that Basilosaurus called home. During the Eocene epoch, spanning from about 56 to 33.9 million years ago, this ancient whale ruled over an ocean world vastly different from our own. The Eocene oceans were characterized by warm global temperatures and unique marine ecosystems that would seem foreign to modern eyes. One of the most striking aspects of Basilosaurus's reign was its global distribution. Fossils of this ancient whale have been found across a wide range of locations, including present-day Egypt, Pakistan, the United States, and even as far south as New Zealand. This extensive fossil record paints a picture of a highly successful predator that dominated marine ecosystems across much of the globe. The presence of Basilosaurus fossils in what is now the Sahara Desert provides a vivid reminder of how dramatically Earth's geography has changed over millions of years. The world of Basilosaurus was shaped by a complex interplay of climatic and geological factors. The warm climate of the Eocene led to higher sea levels, creating extensive shallow seas that provided ideal hunting grounds for these ancient whales. As we piece together the fossil evidence and geological data, a picture emerges of a world dominated by these formidable predators. Basilosaurus ruled the ancient oceans for an impressive span of time. Fossil evidence indicates that these ancient whales thrived for approximately 7 to 8 million years, from about 41 to 34 million years ago. This extended period of dominance allowed Basilosaurus to exert significant influence on marine ecosystems, likely shaping the evolution of its prey species and competitors alike. The longevity of Basilosaurus's reign is a testament to its adaptability and success as a predator. For millions of years, these ancient whales remained at the top of the marine food chain, withstanding changes in climate and competing with other large marine predators, such as sharks. Their ability to maintain this dominant position for so long speaks to the effectiveness of their unique adaptations, from their elongated body shape to their powerful jaws and heterodont dentition. Nonetheless, even the mightiest rulers must eventually fall. As the world of the late Eocene and early Oligocene changed, new challenges arose for Basilosaurus. The answers to what led to its decline provide crucial insights into the complex dynamics of prehistoric marine ecosystems and the forces that shape the rise and fall of species over millions of years. The decline of Basilosaurus marked the end of an era, but its jaws hold a secret that bridges the gap between ancient and modern whales. The evolutionary significance of these teeth offers unique insights into the transition from land-dwelling mammals to specialized marine predators. Tooth evolution in whales is a remarkable journey spanning millions of years. From the diverse dentition of early whale ancestors to the specialized teeth or baleen of modern species, this transformation reflects the changing ecological roles and feeding strategies of cetaceans throughout their evolutionary history. Basilosaurus's teeth stand out as a crucial stage in this evolutionary process. Unlike the uniform, conical teeth found in most toothed whales today, Basilosaurus possessed a variety of tooth types reminiscent of terrestrial carnivores. This intermediate stage provides valuable insights into the gradual nature of evolutionary change and the diverse pathways that evolution can take. The most distinctive feature of Basilosaurus's dental array was its molars. Large and serrated, these teeth bore a striking resemblance to those of carnivorous dinosaurs. Each molar was equipped with multiple cusps and cutting edges, creating a saw-like surface capable of efficiently processing a wide variety of prey. This unique dental structure allowed Basilosaurus to tackle everything from soft-bodied fish to the tough skin and blubber of other marine mammals. The transition from Basilosaurus's varied tooth types to the uniform teeth of modern toothed whales was not a straightforward process. It involved complex interactions between changing environmental conditions, available food sources, and the pressures of natural selection. Understanding this transition is key to unraveling the full story of whale evolution and the incredible diversity of cetacean species we see today. When exploring other anatomical features that link Basilosaurus to modern whales, we must consider how these ancient predators laid the groundwork for the cetaceans that would follow. From its unique vertebral structure to its vestigial hind limbs, Basilosaurus holds many more secrets about the evolutionary journey from land to sea. These anatomical clues, combined with its remarkable dentition, paint a vivid picture of a creature poised between two worlds, a true transitional form in the epic saga of whale evolution. Basilosaurus, with its impressive size and sharp teeth, ruled the ancient seas. Yet it had an unexpected limitation. It was restricted to shallow waters. Unlike modern whales that dive to extreme depths, Basilosaurus's anatomy kept it closer to the surface, shedding light on the evolutionary shifts needed for deep-sea adaptation in whales. The structure of Basilosaurus's skeleton reveals much about its diving constraints. Unlike the denser bones of today's deep-diving cetaceans, Basilosaurus had a more elongated, flexible spine ill-suited to withstand deep-sea pressures. Its lighter bone density suggests it thrived in shallower waters, as denser bones aid in countering deep-sea forces. Paleontologists analyze various features to assess diving capabilities in extinct species. For Basilosaurus, its inner ear bones lacked the density associated with deep dives, while its ribcage lacked the flexibility needed for extreme lung compression, a trait crucial for surviving the intense pressures of deep water. Additionally, its spine couldn't handle the bending forces encountered during rapid ascents. Current studies estimate Basilosaurus was limited to depths under 300 meters, which significantly influenced its hunting style and role in the ecosystem. However, in the Eocene seas, shallow waters offered abundant prey, making these depth restrictions less of a drawback. Instead, Basilosaurus's unique physique allowed it to excel in its environment. Its flexible spine enabled agile movement in complex shallow habitats like coral reefs, portraying it as a specialized, dominant predator adapted precisely to its ecological niche. The extinction of Basilosaurus remains a topic of ongoing research and debate among paleontologists. While climate change played a significant role in its demise, new theories suggest a more complex interplay of factors. Recent studies have proposed that changes in ocean chemistry, particularly shifts in carbon dioxide levels, may have disrupted the food chain Basilosaurus relied upon. This hypothesis is supported by geochemical evidence from fossil remains, indicating rapid changes in marine ecosystems during the late Eocene. Another emerging theory focuses on the evolutionary arms race between Basilosaurus and its prey. As smaller whales and fish developed more efficient escape mechanisms, Basilosaurus may have struggled to maintain its energy-intensive hunting strategy. Fossil evidence of prey species from this period shows signs of increased agility and speed, potentially outpacing the relatively rigid body plan of Basilosaurus. The role of competition from other marine predators is also being reevaluated. While earlier theories suggested competition from early baleen whales, recent discoveries point to the rise of large predatory sharks as a potential factor. These sharks, with their more versatile hunting strategies, may have outcompeted Basilosaurus in the changing marine environment. Paleontologists are now exploring the possibility of a multifaceted extinction event for Basilosaurus. The combination of environmental pressures, evolving prey, and new competitors likely created a perfect storm that the ancient whale could not weather. This nuanced understanding of Basilosaurus's extinction provides valuable insights into the complexity of ecosystem dynamics and the delicate balance that exists between predators and their environment. As research continues, each new fossil discovery and analytical technique brings us closer to unraveling the full story of Basilosaurus's final days. The study of its extinction not only sheds light on ancient ecosystems, but also provides crucial data for understanding modern marine biodiversity and the potential impacts of current climate change on ocean predators. The legacy of Basilosaurus extends far beyond its extinction. Modern whales, both toothed and baleen, carry echoes of Basilosaurus in their anatomy and behavior. The streamlined body shape, powerful tail flukes, and specialized feeding adaptations seen in today's whales can all trace their origins back to innovations first seen in Basilosaurus and its contemporaries. While Basilosaurus's massive size and formidable teeth often capture attention, its cognitive capabilities offer intriguing insights into early whale intelligence. The encephalization quotient, also known as EQ, is a measure of brain size relative to body size, used to estimate an animal's cognitive ability. Higher EQ values generally suggest greater potential for intelligence, revealing an interesting pattern in Basilosaurus. Despite its impressive length of up to 18 meters, this ancient whale possessed a brain that was relatively small for its body size, with an EQ lower than most modern cetaceans. This discovery has led scientists to reevaluate the cognitive abilities of this ancient predator. Based on current evidence, Basilosaurus's brain size suggests a level of cognitive ability more comparable to primitive mammalian predators than to modern whales. Its relatively low EQ indicates that it likely relied more on instinct and basic predatory behaviors, rather than complex problem-solving or social interactions. This aligns with fossil evidence suggesting Basilosaurus was a solitary hunter, unlike many modern whale species that exhibit complex social behaviors. However, it's crucial to note that Basilosaurus's brain was still larger and more complex than those of its terrestrial ancestors. This increase in brain size, while modest compared to modern whales, represents a significant step in the evolution of cetacean intelligence. It likely provided Basilosaurus with enhanced sensory processing, particularly for vision and hearing, crucial adaptations for hunting in an aquatic environment. The cognitive capabilities of Basilosaurus offer a window into the early stages of whale brain evolution. As we consider the broader evolution of intelligence in whales, we must examine how the foundations laid by ancient species like Basilosaurus paved the way for the remarkable cognitive abilities observed in modern cetaceans. From the basic predatory instincts of Basilosaurus to the complex social structures and problem-solving skills of today's whales and dolphins, the story of cetacean brain evolution is one of gradual yet profound transformation. The cognitive changes that occurred during this transition were not merely incidental, but played a crucial role in the survival and success of these marine mammals. Basilosaurus, with its intermediate brain size and structure, represents a pivotal point in this evolutionary narrative, bridging the gap between the terrestrial ancestors of whales and their highly intelligent modern descendants. The legacy of Basilosaurus continues to influence our understanding of whale evolution. This ancient predator, living approximately 40 to 34 million years ago, possessed a unique blend of primitive and advanced features that place it as a crucial intermediate between earlier, more terrestrial whale ancestors and the fully aquatic whales of today. Basilosaurus's distinctive characteristics have provided paleontologists with valuable insights into the gradual process of adaptation and speciation. Several key features of Basilosaurus have been retained in modern whales, albeit often in modified forms. The elongated skull and powerful jaws of Basilosaurus are echoed in the cranial structure of today's toothed whales, particularly species like sperm whales and beaked whales. The vertebral structure, while dramatically different from modern whales, laid the groundwork for the flexibility and strength seen in the spines of contemporary cetaceans. Importantly, the inner ear structure of Basilosaurus shows clear adaptations for underwater hearing, a critical feature that has been refined and enhanced in modern whales. However, many of Basilosaurus's distinctive features were lost or significantly modified over millions of years of evolution. Its serpentine body shape gave way to the more hydrodynamic forms of modern whales. The vestigial hind limbs, still present in Basilosaurus, were lost completely in modern cetaceans as they became fully adapted to life in the open ocean. As new fossils are discovered and analyzed, our understanding of Basilosaurus's place in the whale family tree continues to evolve. Each new piece of evidence brings us closer to a complete picture of cetacean evolution, building anticipation among researchers and enthusiasts alike. The study of Basilosaurus has provided specific insights into the pace and nature of evolutionary change in whales, demonstrating that this process was marked by a series of incremental adaptations rather than sudden dramatic changes. Basilosaurus represents a key stage in the transition from semi-aquatic whale ancestors to fully marine cetaceans. Its unique combination of features illustrates the power of natural selection to shape organisms over millions of years, transforming land-dwelling mammals into the ocean giants we know today. we're left with a profound appreciation for the complexity of evolutionary processes and the incredible journey that led to the diverse and magnificent cetaceans that grace our oceans in the present day. Basilosaurus, a dominant predator of ancient seas, harbored a fascinating evolutionary secret within its streamlined body. Unlike its fully aquatic descendants, this prehistoric whale retained a pair of vestigial hind limbs, measuring only about 0.6 meters, 2 feet, in length. These diminutive appendages, a stark contrast to the creature's impressive 18-meter body, consisted of a femur, tibia, fibula, and several small bones potentially representing vestigial ankle and foot elements. The presence of these limbs in Basilosaurus, which lived approximately 40 to 34 million years ago, represents a crucial intermediate stage in cetacean evolution. Unlike earlier whale species with functional legs or modern whales with no external hind limbs, Basilosaurus showcases the gradual nature of evolutionary change. These vestigial structures, embedded within the body wall musculature and disconnected from the spine, likely served no practical function. The evolutionary significance of these seemingly useless limbs extends beyond their mere presence. They provide valuable insights into the pace of whale evolution, suggesting that the transition to a fully aquatic lifestyle occurred gradually over millions of years. This aligns with our understanding of evolution as a cumulative process shaped by small changes over vast spans of time. As research continues, paleontologists aim to unravel the complexities of this evolutionary puzzle. The vestigial hind limbs of Basilosaurus serve as a powerful reminder of whales' terrestrial ancestry and the incredible transformation they underwent. These tiny appendages, hidden within the body of an ancient ocean predator, tell a story of adaptation that represents one of the most dramatic evolutionary transitions in the history of life on Earth. The study of Basilosaurus and its vestigial limbs continues to challenge our understanding of evolutionary processes. As we delve deeper into the fossil record and employ advanced analytical techniques, we gain new insights into the intricate pathways of adaptation and the forces that shape life over millions of years. The story of Basilosaurus serves as a testament to the complexity and wonder of evolution, reminding us that even the most dramatic transformations in nature occur through a series of incremental changes over vast spans of time. Basilosaurus, the king lizard turned whale, has captivated both scientific circles and popular culture, swimming its way into books, films, and documentaries with various interpretations. This prehistoric giant's journey from fossil to fiction highlights the complex relationship between scientific discovery and public imagination. The portrayal of Basilosaurus in media often diverges from our scientific understanding. While many depictions show it as a sea serpent-like monster, akin to a mythical beast, our current knowledge paints a different picture. For instance, the 1969 film The Lost Continent portrayed Basilosaurus as an aggressive sea monster attacking ships, a far cry from the shallow water predator we now know it to be. However, some representations have evolved to reflect advancing scientific knowledge. The BBC documentary series Walking with Beasts depicted Basilosaurus as a formidable ocean predator, albeit with some artistic liberties. More recent documentaries and educational programs are likely to show Basilosaurus with its vestigial hind limbs and discuss its role in whale evolution, aligning closer to scientific consensus. Basilosaurus has also made its mark in literature, often as a terrifying antagonist in paleofiction novels. Its appearances in video games and educational materials have further contributed to its cultural legacy. Each representation, whether scientifically accurate or dramatically enhanced, shapes public perception of prehistoric marine life. The tension between scientific accuracy and dramatic storytelling persists in Basilosaurus portrayals. While artistic license can bring prehistoric creatures to life in exciting ways, it's crucial that these depictions are grounded in our best scientific understanding. The frequent portrayal of Basilosaurus as a top predator of ancient seas has undoubtedly contributed to a broader interest in paleontology and marine biology among the general public. As we consider Basilosaurus's cultural journey, we're reminded of the important interplay between science and popular media. The story of this ancient whale serves as a compelling example of how scientific discoveries can inspire creative interpretations, and how these interpretations, in turn, can influence public understanding of Earth's prehistoric past. The ongoing search for Basilosaurus fossils continues to captivate paleontologists and push the boundaries of our understanding of prehistoric marine life. Recent years have seen significant discoveries that shed new light on this ancient whale's anatomy and behavior. In 2016, a team working in Egypt's western desert uncovered a nearly complete Basilosaurus skeleton, including rarely preserved elements like the pelvis and hind limbs. This find provided crucial insights into the creature's locomotion and evolutionary adaptations. Another notable discovery came from Jordan in 2019, where researchers found multiple Basilosaurus specimens in close proximity, hinting at possible social behaviors previously unknown in this species. Modern Basilosaurus research employs a wide array of technologies and methods to unlock the secrets of these ancient whales. Geochemical analysis of fossilized teeth and bones provides insights into Basilosaurus's diet and habitat, while advanced imaging techniques reveal internal structures and help paleontologists understand how these creatures lived and moved. As technology advances and new sites are explored, anticipation builds in the scientific community for groundbreaking discoveries that could reshape our understanding of early whale evolution. Currently, researchers are particularly eager to answer several pressing questions about Basilosaurus. How did its unique body plan influence its hunting strategies and ecological role? What was the full extent of its sensory capabilities, particularly in terms of echolocation and underwater hearing? How did Basilosaurus populations respond to the changing climate of the late Eocene, and what factors ultimately led to their extinction? The hunt for Basilosaurus fossils extends far beyond simply understanding this single species. Each new discovery provides valuable insights into the broader story of whale evolution and the ancient marine ecosystems of the Eocene epoch. The fossils of these ancient whales serve as a tangible link to a world long past, offering crucial lessons for understanding the present and future of our planet's biodiversity. The world of Basilosaurus offers a unique perspective on Earth's climatic history and future. The Eocene epoch, marked by high carbon dioxide levels and intense warmth, began to cool in its later stages, eventually leading to the formation of the Antarctic ice sheet. This cooling trend dramatically impacted marine ecosystems, ultimately driving Basilosaurus and other species to extinction. The extinction of Basilosaurus illustrates how even dominant species are vulnerable to environmental shifts. As temperatures fell and sea levels dropped, the shallow seas that Basilosaurus thrived in gradually vanished. Combined with shifts in ocean circulation and food availability, these changes likely triggered a chain reaction of ecosystem disruptions. Basilosaurus's extinction reminds us how quickly climate shifts can reshape ecosystems, especially when species struggle to adapt. Today, the story of Basilosaurus is more relevant than ever. The rapid warming we currently face far exceeds the gradual shifts of the Eocene. By studying ancient responses to climate change, scientists gain insight into how modern marine life may be affected by current trends. Basilosaurus fossils, for example, help reconstruct past ocean conditions, offering valuable data for climate models. These models enhance our ability to predict the impacts of today's climate change on marine ecosystems. Moreover, the Eocene's greenhouse conditions offer a parallel to our high CO2 world, helping scientists anticipate future ecological outcomes. For instance, the chemical composition of Basilosaurus fossils provides details about past ocean acidification, echoing concerns about rising acidification today. The extensive shallow seas that existed then, much like those projected under continued warming, offer insights into potential adaptations and vulnerabilities of modern marine species. In essence, the tale of Basilosaurus is both cautionary and instructive. It highlights the importance of understanding long-term climate patterns and their effects on biodiversity. As we confront modern climate uncertainties, lessons from Earth's history, illuminated by ancient creatures like Basilosaurus, become crucial for guiding conservation efforts and preparing for the environmental challenges ahead. Reflecting on our exploration of Basilosaurus, we recognize the profound insights it provides into cetacean evolution. This ancient whale, with its elongated body, vestigial hind limbs, and powerful teeth, marks a crucial evolutionary step, showcasing the transition of land mammals into fully aquatic life. Its unique blend of primitive and advanced traits bridges the gap between early mammals and the diverse whales we know today. Beyond its own species, Basilosaurus offers valuable glimpses into the Eocene epoch's complex ecosystems. As a top predator, it shaped the marine food web, influencing the evolution of other species. Its fossils offer clues about ancient climates, enriching our understanding of global environmental changes over time. Basilosaurus's legacy holds critical lessons for modern marine conservation. Supporting paleontological research not only honors these ancient creatures, but also enhances our understanding of Earth's intricate biological connections. Its story reminds us that studying our planet's past can provide essential insights for safeguarding its future.